Hi, dear friends, this is Krita, and let's see today why sometimes eraser tool doesn't work and how to make it to work. For example, I want to cut out this house, so I'm using freehand selection tool and somehow selecting my house. Then I'm going to select invert selection and cut. So I have something like PNG, but I don't like what is done yet, so I want to erase those areas. I'm going to eraser tool, but I cannot select it because the selection is still active, so I have to do Ctrl+Shift+A to remove the selection. Now I'm trying to go to eraser tool, but it doesn't work. Let's see. Now I pressed select shapes tool and now eraser. Okay, now let us see. It's still not working because it's written that this tool only works on vector layers. Okay, but our layer is not vector. So I'm adding vector layer, and what I have to do now, I have to select vector layer and our layer with our image and to merge the layers. Okay, now let us see. It works. Thank you. Have a nice day.